Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
So the next drug is sacubitril. We have this drug called sacubitril. This sacubitril is an neprilysin. It is a neprilysin inhibitor. Okay, so this sacubitril is a neprilysin inhibitor. What is this neprilysin? Neprilysin is a neutral endopeptidase. This neutral endopeptidase is also called as membrane metalloendopeptidase. So what does this neutral endopeptidase or metalloendopeptidase do? This will help in breakdown of brain natriuretic peptide or atrial natriuretic peptide. Now this neprilysin inhibitor, this sacubitril, which is a neprilysin inhibitor, this will inhibit this this will mainly inhibit the neutral endopeptidase or membrane metalloendopeptidase. So when it inhibits the neutral endopeptidase or membrane metallopeptidase, so this will, there won't be any breaking down or there won't be any degradation of uh, brain natriuretic peptide or atrial natriuretic peptide. When there is no degradation of brain natriuretic peptide and atrial natriuretic peptide, in this condition there will be increased brain natriuretic peptide and atrial natriuretic peptide can be seen. So because of increased brain and atrial natriuretic peptide, this will result in decreasing preload. So this will cause increased loss of sodium and water in the urine, thus resulting in natriuresis will occur. Because of this natriuresis, it will decrease the preload and afterload on the heart. Okay, so recently we have used this sacubitril, the combination along with sacubitril along with an angiotensin receptor blocker, which is valsartan. This is mainly approved to reduce the risk of cardiovascular death in the patients. It has approved to reduce the risk of cardiovascular death and hospitalization in patients, especially for heart failure. So this is one combination. Now this is valsartan. Next we also have something called as super angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. These super angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors are nothing but vasopeptidase inhibitors are called as super angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors.
Thank you and thank you for watching.